Hey, Parkview Destination Imagination participants and parents. My name is Nikki Lutsky. I am Parkview's Destination Imagination Coordinator and also a team manager. And I am so glad that you are planning to join us for the 2019-2020 competition season. Your child, if selected to be on a team, is going to be bringing home a packet of papers. The packet of papers is new to this season, and it is the contract for students and for parents alike. It is our goal to help continue to grow the Destination Imagination program, and the best way that we can do that is to make you totally aware of what the commitment is to Destination Imagination. No hidden agenda here, just want to make sure that all participants are aware of the fact that Destination Imagination is a commitment. Just to give you an overview of what you would find in the packet, you will find a lot of information about the program itself, but the main thing that I want you to realize is that in order to compete on Parkview's Destination Imagination teams, your child has to be able to commit to 2 dates. The first date is going to be Saturday, March 14th, 2020. That date is the day of our regional competition, and that will be held at Delavan Darien High School. The second date that is extremely important to our program will be April 18th, 2020, and that is the date of our affiliate or state program at the University of Wisconsin, Green Bay. Both of those competitions are extremely important to the students that have worked hard to compete, and we need their participation in both. If you or your child cannot commit to attending both of those competitions, then Destination Imagination may not be right for you at this time. We would look forward to having your child in the future, and we would be thrilled to welcome them back with open arms. I understand as a coach and a coordinator and also as a parent that sometimes there are family commitments, including planned vacations. If you know that this is going to be the case, please do not enroll your child for Destination Imagination for this school year. All of our teams are comprised of 7 students. Once those 7 students have been added into the computer, we can no longer add any additional students. That means that the simple act of replacing your child with another child is not a possibility. It's considered outside assistance and it counts against the team. Unfortunately, last year we had several students that were unable to meet their commitments. Because of this, students on a couple of different teams were impacted by this in a negative way. We want to make sure that every student has every opportunity to be their best and to have an amazing Destination Imagination experience. Please make sure that you take a time to look over the packet, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I would love to talk with you about this. Also, please note that this school year, something that is new to the program is also a student contract, which basically says how the student will act at Destination Imagination practices. We're looking forward to having practices that are productive and that feel good for all participants. Please, again, do not hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions in regards to this packet or into any aspect of Destination Imagination. Parkview Destination Imagination is proud to be one of the fastest growing Destination Imagination programs in the area in South Central Wisconsin. We're thrilled with our progress and we look forward to making more progress in the coming years. Thanks for joining me.